multiples. Multiples are found by multiplying our base number by other numbers. So let's look at an example. So we have a welder that has 5 pallets of weld wire. Each pallet has 6 boxes. Use multiples to see how many boxes in total the welder has. So if we're looking, we have 5 pallets and each one has 6 boxes in it. So we're going to go pallet 1, pallet 2. So this is when we're just going to add these together. So by the time we get 2, and then we're going to have pallet 4 and pallet. Now, when we say we have pallet 1, so if we're looking just at pallet 1 by itself, there is 1 pallet, and then we're going to go ahead and multiply it by 6. So now we have 6 boxes total. So if we add, so this is what we're adding, is we're adding each pallet. So now we go to pallet 2. So now we have 2 pallets. So now we're going to go, so we have 2 now, and then we're going to go ahead and multiply it by 6. This is our base number. And this is the total. And then this is, we're just going to increase the number of pallets, right? And so this will increase the number here. So 2 times 6 is equal to 12 boxes. And then when we have pallet 3, now we're including, we have 3 pallets total. So now we go 3 times 6, which is our base number. So 3 times 6 is 18 boxes. And then when we have 4 pallets, we're going to go ahead and multiply 4 times 6 to equal 24 boxes. And then on the final pallet, we have 5 pallets, and we're going to go ahead and multiply by 6. So that means now we have 30 boxes. So we have 5 pallets with 6 boxes on each one. So a total of 30. So we would say we're going to use multiples. So we'd say 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. So we can see we have 30 total, but we use multiples to go from box 1 to box 2 to box 3 to box 4 to box 5 to include all of them. So that's how we can use multiples. It's just another way to add them up. Now let's do another example. Now let's look at example 2. A welder has 4 boxes of aluminum spools. Each box has 4 spools. So use multiples to find how many spools in total the welder has. So for this example, we're going to see that we have 4 boxes, and each box has 4 spools. So in box, we'll say 1, what we do is we have 1 box, and then we're going to go ahead and multiply by 4 now. So we have 4 total spools. Box 2 is now there's 2 boxes, and each one has 4. So we go 2 times 4, so that's equal to 8 spools. Box 3 has 3 times 4, which is equal to 12 spools. And then we have 4 boxes. So this is box 1. This is box, but also contains box 1, right? And box 3 is, so box 1, 2, and 3. And box 4 contains is, meaning we're having all 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So then we have 4 times 4, and that's equal to 16 spools. So the point is, as you can see, we're just moving up. As we increase the number of boxes, we're increasing it by a multiple of 4, right? So 1 to 2, we went from 4 to 8. From box 2 to 3, so we included another box. So now we have 3 boxes. Then we went up another 4. So you can see how there's a trend here. Trend is just like another word to say like pattern that we can see.